43.3. Acquired immunity is based on both a hormonal immune response and a cell-mediated immune response. The hormonal immune response involves the activation and clonal selection of effector B cells which secrete antibodies that circulate in the blood and lymph. Sorry I'm late.
What's wrong with you, man?
I went to sleep on my bio book, man.
We've been waiting for hours for you.
I don't care. Let's just get the freaking project started and let's get this over with. I want to go home again.
Alright.
This is a B cell. He is part of a group of lymphocytes. The lymphocytes are part of the adaptive immune system. He is unsuspectingly floating around in the blood when an antigen comes out and attacks him. When the B cell is attacked, a plasma cell comes and attacks the antigen. This is an effector B cell. When it is attacked by antigen, it produces antibodies that signal the phagocytes to attack the antigen. Here is the antigen attacking the effector B cell. And here's the phagocyte coming to kill the antigen that attacked the B cell. This is an infected cell. When a helper T cell comes out, it gives a signal to the cytotoxic T cell for it to secrete proteins that cause cell rupture and death.
B cell receptors and T cell receptors are made of constant regions and variable regions. Variable regions vary extensively in the way that the amino acid sequence is different for every cell. The role of the variable region in the function of different antibody classes is that the heavy and light chains combine to form a binding site for an antigen. Each B cell receptor has two identical antigen binding sites, whereas every T cell receptor has only one binding site for antigen binding.
Insects have exoskeletons. These provide a great barrier against pathogens. They call the doctor and asked if they can meet you. That it'll be cured, he very well did knew. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Gotta go and lay in my bed and wait for them antibodies to end.
I got liposome in my body. It's an enzyme that helps kill viruses, and it's called a hemocyte. It circulates in blood. It engulfs the virus. The process is called phagocytosis. Sometimes it makes chemicals to kill a disease that is viral. Yeah, I know it. Your disease ain't gonna survive. Yeah, I know it. And I'm like, what the hell are they learning about? And if I got it, and I know it, because girl, you know I'm checking out.
Insects have exoskeletons. These provide a great barrier against pathogens. They call the doctor and asked if they can meet you. That it'll be cured, he very well did knew. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Gotta go and lay in my bed and wait for them antibodies to end.
Vertebrates have their own protection. This is called skin. SKIN skin. Barrier defenses. It maintains a low pH. Prevent the growth of microorganisms. Cellular and innate defenses. Involves full-like receptors. Molecules that resemble
cells, search and engulf and destroy the infection.
Insects have exoskeletons. These provide a great barrier against pathogens. They call the doctor and asked if it can meet you, that it will be cured, he very well did knew. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Gotta go and lay in my bed and wait for them antibodies to end.
Go in. Innate immunity gives rapid responses. They help to defend your body from diseases. So don't try to hurry, since there's no worry. Phagocytes help to ingest and digest. Acquired immunity defends against malady. They got a slower response in the body to defend against your nervous disorders.
Insects have exoskeletons. These provide a great barrier against pathogens. They called the doctor and asked if it can meet you, that it will be cured, he very well did knew. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Got a pathogen inside of me, nurse, I'm checking out. Gotta go and lay in my bed and wait for them antibodies to end.